Hello, welcome. Justin Conway here from Paul McInnes Auctioneer. We have another great auction property for you. We're in Derry, New Hampshire at 76 Tsienneto Road. This is a 1.5 acre corner lot. This property is improved with the 1835 antique Colonial that has been completely meticulously restored. On this property, there are several outbuildings and there is a fantastic post and beam barn that you've got to see to believe. We're going to be selling this property by way of online-only auction on March 5th at 1 p.m. You go to the website below, you'll get terms, details, and you can request a property information package with all of the details of this wonderful property. If you have any questions, my name is Justin Conway, and we are Paul McInnes Auctioneer. Thank you.